Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.50, which is noteworthy against a backdrop of declining momentum at minus 1.35. This divergence suggests that while optimism is present, the overall business momentum is faltering. It's a critical moment for you to analyze. Are businesses feeling hopeful, but struggling to maintain traction? Our API returns a comprehensive sentiment analysis, including insights into 19 semantic clusters related to business sentiment. You could leverage this to identify sectors where optimism is high but momentum is low, helping you make informed decisions on where to focus your resources or strategy. Dive deeper into this unique data and discover how it can inform your development. Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.